Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 14th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the euro dollar, we had a very nice little fib bounce. And there is definitely a chance that this is a complete ABC correction and that we are on now in a uptrend again, because all the higher time frames are definitely still in a very, very strong uptrend. Now, the whole thing is that we do not have a breaker structure up yet, confirming that it really is the end of an ABC, and we definitely do not have like a significant higher low yet, which would also help confirm that maybe the wave C is already over. So there is definitely a chance that this could make a lower high, and just go down and make new lows. So we do have to be a little bit cautious until we either do see that breaker structure or we do see the significant higher low. Now, going down to the 1 hour time frame, we don't even have a pullback starting yet, and it doesn't have to start. I mean, it could just keep on going. But if it does start a move to the downside, this is where we're going to have to start paying attention to see whether it makes a very corrective overlapping pattern like that, which would be like a wave two, wave one, and then it bounces from a fib level and continues the uptrend, confirming with a breaker structure that this really is the end of an ABC correction, or whether the next move down is very impulsive. I mean, if this really is going to make a lower high, then it would likely make a lower high and be very impulsive. So if it becomes very impulsive to the downside, then you'll know that this is not the end of an ABC and that potentially it's going to go down and make new lows. So we're just going to have to pay attention to see whether the next move is corrective like this or whether it's impulsive. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.